Hi friends, I hope all is well. Today I am going to make creamy pasta. Creamy pasta with mushroom and spinach. This is, I don't say this is healthy, but it's a really good dish. And nowadays in India there is a lot of festivals. People they love to eat Western dishes, and this is best choice for them. So let's start. Pasta with cream sauce, mushroom and spinach. So let's start. It's time to cook. Heat the pan, add oil and butter. Whenever I use butter, I put little oil. You know why the reason? It doesn't burn the butter. Add chopped onion. Cook it on medium heat. Mix it well. When it changes the color, add garlic. Cook for a minute. Add your sliced mushroom. Whenever you cook whatever, try to make it prep before that. So I do all preparation. Now it's hot. Put Italian dry mix. You can use fresh also. It's hot now. Put the white wine. It's optional. If you want, put it. Otherwise, don't. Reduce it half. When you see the wine is half, then is a heavy cream. It's a creamy dish, my friends. Don't worry. Sometime it's okay. It's shredded cheese. It's thicken the sauce. Then already I boiled the pasta. You put whatever pasta you like. Then this is a fresh spinach. See how green. It's a baby spinach. Mix it well. Add seasonings, black pepper and salt. Very necessary to add proper seasoning. Mix it well. In this I use sun-dried tomato also. Oh my God, what a dish looking, man. So hot. Little ingredients, but taste is super. Garnish with sun-dried tomato and cheese. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. If you like, please like, subscribe my channel. Chef Mangal's Kitchen, USA. Thank you. Take care.